Since its formation in July 29, 1958, NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, has become synonymous with pioneering exploration, groundbreaking scientific discoveries, and technological marvels, of course. From landing humans on the moon to launching interstellar probes that venture beyond our solar system, NASA has consistently achieved the seemingly impossible. But how did it get there, and why it is considered the best space organization in the world? This video explores the milestones that have shaped NASA's unparalleled journey of innovation, the creative leaps it has taken, and the reasons it remained a leader in space exploration. Arguably, NASA's most iconic achievement, the Apollo moon landing in July 1969, remains one of the greatest feats of human exploration. The feat was more than just a political victory. In the midst of the Cold War, it was the realization of a seemingly impossible dream, sending human beings to the moon and bringing them back safely. NASA's Apollo program represented an unprecedented level of creativity, engineering, and risk-taking. The challenges were immense. At the time, humanity had never sent astronauts beyond low Earth orbit, let alone to a celestial body 240,000 miles away. Yet through an intense blend of science, technology, and teamwork, NASA overcame obstacles like spacecraft design, life support system, guidance and navigation, and lunar surface operations. Apollo 11 astronaut Neil Armstrong is famous for that one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind marked the culmination of this impossible journey. The Apollo program involved thousands of engineers, scientists, and technicians who developed entirely new technologies, including the lunar module, Saturn V rocket, and advancements in computer technology. The sheer scale of the program and its success made NASA a global symbol of human inventiveness.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.
In the 1970s, NASA launched the Voyager missions, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, to explore the outreaches of the solar system. What seemed like a routine mission to study Jupiter and Saturn turned into one of the most audacious and creative undertakings in the space exploration history. Both spacecraft, designed to last only a few years, have exceeded expectation and are now the farthest human-made object from Earth. Voyager 1 entered interstellar space on August 25, 2012, becoming the first ever human-made object to do so, while Voyager 2 followed on November 5, 2018, sending back invaluable data about the boundary between the solar system and the rest of the galaxy. The sheer audacity of sending a probe billions of miles from Earth, powered by a simple radioisotope thermoelectric generator, was a testament to NASA's bold vision. The golden record, which carried sound and images from Earth to potentially communicate with an alien civilization that might encounter the spacecraft, symbolized NASA's deep commitment to space and curiosity. Today, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 continue to send data back to Earth, providing humanity with the first ever glimpse into interstellar space, a realm once thought to be beyond our reach. The Voyager missions are a perfect example of how NASA continually pushing the boundaries of what is impossible both scientifically and creatively. In 1990, NASA launched the Hubble Space Telescope into orbit, a project that was as much about vision as it was about overcoming significant technical challenges. Designed to peer into the distant universe with unprecedented clarity, Hubble has transformed our understanding of the cosmos, capturing images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and even the birth and death of the stars. One of the key moments of creativity was when Hubble's initial images were blurry due to flaw in its primary mirror. Rather than abandoning the project, NASA engineers come up with a brilliant fix, sending astronauts on a space shuttle mission to install corrective optics in 1993. This impossible solution saved the mission and turned Hubble into one of the most successful and impactful space telescopes in history. The telescope has led some of the most important discoveries in modern astronomy, from determining the age of the universe to capturing the first image of exoplanets. Hubble continues to inspire both scientists and general public, offering breathtaking images that reminds us of the vastness and beauty of the universe. In 2001, the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) made a significant contribution to the discovery of water on the Moon. The Chandrayaan-1 spacecraft, equipped with NASA Moon Mineralogy Mapper (M3), identified water molecule on the lunar surface. This was the first definitive evidence that water was present on the Moon. The M3 instrument detected both molecular water H2O and hydroxyl OH molecules in the lunar soil, spread out in small quantities across the surface. This was a surprising, exciting discovery, as it showed that the Moon, once thought to be completely dry, actually contained some form of water. While Chandrayaan-1 with NASA's M3 instrument first detected evidence of water, it was NASA Voyager mission in 2009 that provided direct confirmation of water in the form of ice on Moon's surface. These discoveries have reshaped our understanding of the Moon and its potential as a resource for future human exploration. NASA's ambitions to explore Mars has resulted in a series of remarkable missions, no more iconic than Mars rovers. The Spirit and Opportunity rovers, landed in 2004, were designed to explore the Martian surface for evidence of water. Their success, especially Opportunity, which operated for nearly 15 years beyond its expected lifespan, demonstrated NASA's ability to design machines capable of operating in the harsh environment of another planet. However, it was the Curiosity rover, which landed in 2012, was designed to investigate Mars' habitability, including the chemical ingredients for life. On 30 July 2020, NASA launched Perseverance rover, or Percy, a car-sized Mars rover that pushed the boundaries even further. NASA Mars Perseverance rover mission is to seek signs of ancient life and collect samples of rocks, soil, and some fragments for possible Earth return. In 2021, Perseverance not only concluded scientific experiments but also included the innovative Ingenuity helicopter, which achieved power flight on another planet for the first time in history. This achievement opened the door for future aerial exploration of planets with thin atmosphere, and its success continues to inspire the development of future missions to Mars and beyond. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched on 25 December 2021, marks NASA's latest colossal leap forward in space exploration. The James Webb Space Telescope took 30 years and $10 billion to build. As the most powerful space telescope ever built, James Webb Scope has the ability to peer back in time to the very birth of the universe, study the atmosphere of exoplanets, and examine the formations of galaxies, stars, and the planetary system in unprecedented detail. James Webb Telescope design and launch were fraught with challenges. Its large segmented mirror had to unfold in space, a process that had never been attempted before. Furthermore, its instruments had to be operated in the infrared spectrum, requiring high advanced cooling system. NASA's ability to carry out level of technical innovation and the successful deployment of James Webb Telescope demonstrated its continued leadership in space exploration. The telescope's first images, released on July 12, 2022, showcased the breathtaking beauty of deep space, offering a glimpse into future discoveries that could reshape our understanding of the universe. Looking forward, NASA's Artemis II program aims to return humans to the Moon by 2025, with a long-term goal of establishing a sustainable human presence there. The ambition behind the Artemis II is to enable future human missions to Mars. The creative aspects of Artemis II go beyond simply landing astronauts on the Moon. NASA is designing next-generation lunar habitats, lunar rover, and the infrastructure needed to live and work on the Moon. The Artemis second program also integrates private sector collaboration, making it a modern example of how public-private partnership can solve challenges that were once thought to be impossible. NASA collaboration with companies like SpaceX and the Blue Origin will allow humans to explore the Moon and Mars in a way that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. NASA achievements are not just the result of advanced technology or state-of-the-art engineering. They are born from a culture of creativity, collaboration, and audacity. The agency is able to tackle the most complex scientific question by assembling a diverse team of scientists, engineers, and the innovators who are unafraid to challenge the status quo. Through relentless problem solving, a willingness to take risks, and a vision for the future, NASA has proven time and time again that no challenge is too great. What makes NASA the best space agency in the world? It is not just their ability to overcome impossible challenges, but its spirit of exploration and its dedication to pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Whether it's landing on the moon, sending probes to the edge of the solar system, or uncovering the secrets of cosmos, NASA has not only defined the field of space exploration, it has inspired humanity to dream bigger, aim higher, and to reach further than ever before. NASA's impossible achievements are not just milestones in the history of science, they are the touchstones of humanity's quest to explore the stars and beyond. Thank you.